I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Polaroid headphones Bluetooth. First, make sure your Polaroid headphones have enough battery life for a smooth connection. Find the power button, which is typically on one of the headphone ear cups or along the control panel. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. You should see a small LED indicator light up, often blue or white, confirming they are powered on and ready for the next step. Once your headphones are on, you need to put them into pairing mode. For many Polaroid models, you simply continue holding the power button for a few more seconds after it turns on. Alternatively, some headphones have a separate Bluetooth pairing button. Look for the indicator light to start flashing quickly, usually a blue and red alternating pattern, or a very fast blue flash. This rapid flashing confirms your headphones are actively searching for a device to connect with. Now grab the device you want to connect your headphones to, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer. Go into your device's settings and find the Bluetooth menu. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Your device will then start scanning for nearby Bluetooth accessories. You should see your Polaroid headphones appear in the list of available devices, often named something like Polaroid headphones or a specific model number. Tap on that name to initiate the connection. After selecting your headphones, you should hear an audible confirmation tone or voice prompt like "connected" through the headphones themselves. The indicator light on your Polaroid headphones will usually change from a rapidly flashing pattern to a steady, solid blue light. On your device, the status next to your headphones in the Bluetooth list should change to connected. If you encounter any issues, simply turn both your headphones and your device off, wait 10 seconds, and then try the process again from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.